Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you check your hotspot password in your Poco phone. Guys, you want to check guys your hotspot password in your Poco phone. So as you can check and guys now let's see how to check hotspot password in our Poco phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to check our hotspot password. So you can see guys there is no any hotspot setting guys, you can see friends. So guys what will you have to do guys, you can see guys your connection and sharing option. So guys tap here, then guys you can see this fourth one guys portable hotspot setting. So guys tap here, guys you want to on your hotspot so you can on and off from here. So as you can see settable portable hotspot, so guys tap here and guys click on this I option to check your hotspot password. So as you can check your hotspot password from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot password in our Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.